Most abortions in Wisconsin have been suspended since June of 2022 when the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, effectively reinstating Wisconsin's abortion ban from 174 years ago. But now Planned Parenthood is working to determine if today's ruling would allow them to start performing abortions again in the near future.
Friday, a win for abortion rights supporters.
This is a really important step in the longer-term fight to restore abortion access in Wisconsin.
After Democratic Attorney General Josh Kaul filed a lawsuit arguing Wisconsin's 1849 abortion ban is too old to enforce, Sheboygan County District Attorney Joel Urmanski, a Republican, asked a judge to dismiss Kaul's suit. Friday, Judge Diane Schlipper denied Urmanski's request, adding in her ruling that there is no such thing as an 1849 abortion ban in Wisconsin, thus giving momentum to possibly restoring abortion access again in the state.
What are the possible implications of this ruling?
We'll really be diving into what this ruling and what any subsequent favorable rulings will mean for our ability to provide abortion services in the future.
For anti-abortion advocates,
I'm disappointed, but I am absolutely not surprised.
The effort continues.
We will continue to be as aggressive as we possibly can to save the unborn.
What happens if they do start performing abortions again?
On the legal side, I don't know what we would do, okay? But I can tell you that, number one, we would expose it. And we would make sure people knew that they were doing that, and that, in our opinion, unless we see an express injunction from a court saying the ban is not enforceable as this works its way through the courts, that they're in violation of the law.
Caroline, despite today's ruling, the case is far from over.
Right. The case itself is likely to end up before the state Supreme Court, where the balance of the court will shift in just a few weeks. Liberal-leaning incoming Justice Janet Protasiewicz will be sworn in next month, replacing conservative Justice Patience Roggensack, who is retiring. Patrick.